Money Limited is a CBI registered stock broker and depository participant company, a subsidiary of 197 Communications, Paytm. It is headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka. Paytm Money also serves as an investment advisor and financial services provider. The investment services of Paytm are stock trading, mutual funds, wealth and investment advisory, exchange traded funds, ETFs, and National Pension System, NPS, contributions. It also offers trading in futures and options contracts, gold bond investments, as well as a demat account for holding securities. Experiencing issues with your Paytm Money? If you have complaints, initiate the resolution process by reaching out to Paytm Money's customer care representatives or the designated staff. If the matter remains unresolved, escalate your complaint to the head of customer care and further to the nodal officer of Paytm Money. Report the issues related to stocks. Complaints related to buying and selling of stocks on both the National Stock Exchange, NSE, and the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, including initial public offerings, IPOs, through Paytm Money. Investment issues regarding direct mutual funds from various asset management companies, AMCs, and exchange traded funds, ETFs. Financial products, complaints of loans, insurance, and other financial products of Paytm Money. National Pension System, NPS concerns regarding National Pension System, NPS, Retirement Savings Scheme, tax benefits and pension upon retirement. Demat account, complaints regarding a paperless process for creating a demat account, DP charges, and stocks in the portfolio. Zero brokerage, disputes of brokerage fees for investing in both stocks and mutual funds through Paytm Money. Fractional investing, problems with fractional investing in stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs including securities and US stocks. Others, issues related to payment transactions, technical glitches, automated advisory, customer service, and other disputes of Paytm Money. Wealth and Investment Advisory, complaints of wealth and investment advisory marketplace, including curated advisory services and products to retail investors. Still unresolved? Consider escalating the complaint to the Principal Nodal Officer, Financial Services. Further, escalate it to the Compliance Officer of Paytm Money. How to file a complaint to Paytm Money? As per the grievance redressal policy of Paytm Money, the complaint resolution process is divided into 4 levels. To begin, address your concerns by calling the toll-free helpline number, sending an email, or filing an online complaint. If not resolved, you may escalate the disputed matter to the next authority. Grievance redressal mechanism. Levels of complaint escalation. Level 1. Customer care, Paytm Money. Toll-free customer service number. Email or WhatsApp. Register a complaint online. Paytm Money app. Level 2. Head Customer Care, Paytm Money. Level 3. Compliance Officer, Paytm Money. Level 4. Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of Paytm Money Limited. Not resolved even after escalation within 30 days. You can lodge a grievance with regulatory authorities such as the Securities Exchange Board of India, SEBI, and relevant exchanges, CDSL, NSDL, NSE, BSE, for a thorough investigation into the matter. In cases of disagreement, you can initiate arbitration with Paytm Money or the relevant institution through the Smart Online Disputes Resolution (ODR) platform. This platform is specifically designed to address disputes for investors, listed companies, and institutions, providing a formal arbitration platform for dispute resolution. Please note, for unresolved disputes related to loans and financial services from Paytm Money, it is advised to file a complaint with the Banking Ombudsman at the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, for further review and resolution. Level 1. Customer Care, Paytm Money. To address concerns with Paytm Money, begin the resolution process by lodging a complaint with the customer support team. This can be done through the toll-free helpline number, email, or online complaint registration. Report issues of investment and financial services, as well as emergencies like account blocking, unauthorized transactions, or payment problems. Ensure to provide the following essential details: Customer client ID for existing clients, order ID if applicable, nature of the complaint, a detailed description, accompanied by relevant supporting documents such as bills, contract notes, invoices, or screenshots. After filing a complaint with Paytm Money, note the ticket number. Use this reference ID to track your complaint status and escalate unresolved issues to higher authorities if needed. Paytm Money Customer Care Number. Details of Paytm Money customer helpline numbers and email. Paytm complaint number +917612796277. Email feedback@paytmoney.com, ext.support@paytmoney.com. Email report cyber attack cyber.reporting@paytmoney.com. Report the KYC delay, more than 24 hours, for opening an account with Paytm Money by sending an email to priority.kyc@paytmoney.com. File a complaint online. Official details to lodge your financial and investment complaint online with Paytm Money. Complain online to Paytm Money. File a complaint. Contact customer support. Click here, paytmoney.com. Email ext.support@paytmoney.com. Tip: beware of scams. Don't share bank personal details. Use only the official Paytm Money app for help. Stay safe. Please note, if you have complaints about Paytm Money violating consumer rights, file a complaint with the National Consumer Helpline (NCH) of the Department of Consumer Affairs (MOCA) for compensation and resolution. Level 2. Customer Care Head, Paytm Money. As per the resolution mechanism, if your initial complaint with Paytm Money remains unresolved after the designated resolution period, typically 3 to 7 days, at level 1, escalate the complaint to the designated customer care (CC) head at level 2. With the ticket number from the previous complaint, contact the CC head officer using contact details below. Call the CC head at the helpline number +917612796285. Escalate the complaint by email at ext.support@paytmoney.com with the ticket number. Level 3. Compliance Officer, Paytm Money Ltd. For unresolved complaints concerning stock and trading, DP, pension funds, and SCBI regulated investment services not resolved at level 2, Paytm Money designates a compliance officer to handle these matters. When submitting a grievance to the compliance officer, include ticket reference number of the previous level 2 complaint, client customer ID, nature of the complaint, expected relief and reasons for dissatisfaction. Attach relevant documents and evidence such as invoices, contract notes, screenshots, or any other proof. 1. Compliance Officer, Paytm Money Limited. To escalate your unresolved complaints of level 2, send a written complaint letter to the compliance officer at Paytm Money Limited. Designation: Compliance Officer, Paytm Money. Phone number +917612796281. Email ext.complianceofficer@paytmoney.com. Address: Compliance Officer, Paytm Money Limited, The Hub, 8 to Sarjpur Main Road, Ambulipura Village, Varthur Hubli, Bangalore 560103. 2. CEO, Paytm Money Ltd. If the complaint persists unresolved after escalating to the compliance officer at level 3, proceed to escalate the grievance to the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, at Paytm Money Limited by sending an email or making a call at the provided contact details. Call the CEO by dialing the phone number +918046253716, +9176127968284. Email your concerns to info@paytmoney.com or ceo.grievance@paytmoney.com with the ticket acknowledgement ID of the previously escalated complaint at level 3. Still, not resolved to your satisfaction by Paytm Money? Approach the respective regulatory authorities. Regulatory authorities. If your complaints related to investments, securities, brokers, or Paytm Money's trading platform remain unresolved within 30 days, take the following steps to escalate the disputed cases of Paytm Money Limited to relevant regulatory authorities. 1. Securities and Exchange Board of India. SEBI file a complaint to SEBI, scores. 2. Respective stock exchanges. For equity and currency trading, approach the National Stock Exchange, NSE, and Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. For commodities and metals trading disputes, complain to Multi Commodity Exchange of India Limited, MCX. 3. Depository services. For issues like demand accounts, equity repository, ownership, and share transfers, contact the Central Depository Services, India, Limited, CDSL, and National Securities Depository Limited, NSDL. 4. Other regulatory authorities for financial disputes. For National Pension Scheme, NPS, grievances, file a complaint with the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA. For insurance disputes, complain to the Insurance Ombudsman, IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. For a violation of consumer rights, appeal to the Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, NCDRC, Consumer Forum for Compensation. If dissatisfied with regulatory resolutions, you can initiate arbitration with Paytm Money, investors, or institutions through the Smart Online Disputes Resolution Smart ODR platform at smartorder.in. Still dissatisfied after receiving final orders from appellate authorities? You may seek legal advice from a legal expert before taking legal action. Additionally, you may approach judicial bodies or relevant tribunals, such as the Securities Appellate Tribunal, for further review and resolution.